So this is lesson 9. Part 1, we will be taking off with 150 horsepower. Well, flying with 150 horsepower. We're paused here at cruise altitude, and now we'll unpause the simulation and fly at a stable flight level and see how the aircraft behaves with 150 horsepower. You can see we're flying at around 130 knots. We will fly all aircraft with max power, so every aircraft has the same condition. So as you can see, it's quite stable. Requires very few inputs to keep the aircraft stable, and it's flying at around 124 knots. For part 2, we'll be flying with an aircraft with 300 horsepower and a very short wingspan. As you can see, it's quite unstable. As we unpause the simulation, we are still flying cruise level. You'll see we're on the yellow arch. We're flying at around 170 knots, and it does require constant input from the pilot to keep the flight level and stable. A short wingspan, it causes less drag. That's why the aircraft can reach higher speeds, but it causes it to be unstable due to low lift. So part 3, we'll be flying with a 600 horsepower aircraft with a very, very big wingspan, as you can see there. As we unpause the simulation, once the plane tries to lift to go up, with a higher power, there's more speed. As there's more speed as well, there's more lift. We're flying constantly at around 201 knots, around 200, 203 knots. Thereabouts. You can see that it requires constant nose down input to push the aircraft down. The nose of the aircraft down. You can see we're nearly reaching the top of the yellow arc there, because we're flying around 205-10 knots ish as we push the nose of the aircraft up to keep the flight at the same flight level as the aircraft tries to go up due to very big wingspan and the high speed of the aircraft. It has 600 horsepower. 600 horsepower as well means there's more drag, but still, that's nearly double than last time. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.